watching the I'm a Girly's official YouTube channel.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Thanks for coming back for a brand new video. We can't wait to show you what we planned for today.
Well, they might have guessed by the title, Tippi.
Oh yeah!
But just in case you missed it, we're going to show you how to accessorise your backpacks for school.
We're going to make super cool pins that you can attach to your backpack. We're basically giving your backpack a mini makeover.
You can use whichever design you like, but we think bright and colourful ones look awesome.
Exactly, the more colourful the better, I think.
I'm a Girly is created by kids and made for kids. This means they let kids design clothes and accessories that can be used in real life. Isn't that cool, Tippi?
Yes, that's amazing, Maya. Kids can also come to I'm a Girly's really fun workshops. You can meet lots of other kids and be super creative.
If you want to be part of the Kids for Kids design team, then go to their website to sign up.
Maya, I think we should do our backpack for Mia.
That's a great idea, Tippi. We can make the pins super cute and girly to match her amazing outfit. Before we get into the video, you're going to need a few things. A backpack, we have this super cute plain pink one. And some designs. We have these super cute colourful ones that will match Mia's outfit.
My favourite one is the rainbow, it's so cute.
My favourite is the watermelon. I love watermelon, it's so nice.
You're also going to need some flexible foam sheets. We got these sticky ones. We're also going to need scissors, glue and safety pins.
We also have adults in the room to help us, so make sure you do the same and stay safe.
So we got everything we need. Let's get started, but before we do, make sure to hit the subscribe button,
tell all your friends, and smash a huge thumbs up. First, we need to cut out our designs. It's up to you, but we like to leave a little white edging around them. I love cutting, it's so fun.
The next step is to peel the back off the foam sheet. We only need one sheet for this.
The next step is to stick our designs onto the foam. It might be a bit sticky, but you just have to be careful.
No time to be done.
Now our badges are finally taking shape. The next step is to glue on the safety pins. You need to make sure you don't stick on the side with the sharp edge because we're going to use that to pin it onto our backpack.
It's a good idea to use a pin smaller than the badge.
That's a great idea, Tippi. And now we're done. Voila!
The perfect accessories for Mia's backpack.
They were so quick and easy to make, and you can make them at home too. They're super cute and colourful.
Oh, Mia's gonna love this. I kind of want one too. That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks so much for watching.
We had so much fun, didn't we, Tippi?
Absolutely, I can't wait to make more.
Don't forget that you can be part of the Kids for Kids Club too. Just head to the I'm a Girly website.
Before you go, make sure to hit the subscribe button,
tell all your friends,
and smash a huge thumbs up. Bye!